In this video, we will demonstrate the S122 with the Splice-on connector feature. In order to perform this Splice-on connector feature, you will order consumable connector parts. To begin the process, remove the connector from the bag, and it will display the different connector parts, including the main body, which includes the spring, stop ring, and boot, dust cap, protection sleeve, inner housing, outer housing, and factory polished ferrule with a factory cleaved end. The first step in the process is to take the ferrule transportation tool, which is provided, and slide it over the ferrule tip. Once this has been done, open the packaging and remove the ferrule. Place the ferrule in the fiber holder. This fiber has already been prepared in the factory, so there is no need to cleave or clean the fiber. Place it directly into the fusion splicer. The next step in the process is to take your field fiber and to place the inner connector components onto the fiber. So you'll slide the fiber through the connector parts, remove the components, next you will take your protection sleeve and slide onto the fiber. Next, take your fiber holder, place your fiber in the fiber holder for preparation. Strip the fiber, removing both the 900 micron and the 250 micron layers. Clean the fiber. And cleave the fiber using the Fitel S122A high precision cleaver. Place the fiber holder directly into the cleaver. Simply close the fiber lid, press the button. Your fiber will automatically be cleaved with the waste fiber entering into the waste fiber bin on the cleaver. Place the fiber holder directly into the fusion splicer. Close the fiber holder lid. To initiate the fusion splicing process, press the green button. It is often convenient to have the splicer on pause mode, where it will display gap, access offset, and cleave angles. To initiate this fusion process, press the green button again. The unit will display the estimated loss open the Fusion Splicer lid and bring the protection sleeve over the exposed fiber portion. Once the protection sleeve is over the splice portion of the fiber, place it into the protection sleeve heater. Press the yellow heating button to initiate the process. When you hear the beep, the heating process is complete. Remove the fiber from the protection sleeve heater. Next, take your connector components, slide them towards your splice point and over the protection sleeve. Next, you take your connector components and retrieve the inner housing. Remove the ferrule transportation tool and place the inner housing over the ferrule. The inner housing is keyed to the main body. Once you have it over the ferrule, simply press in and turn to secure the inner housing to the main body. Next, remove your outer housing, which is also keyed to the inner housing, and place it over the inner housing. Now your connector is ready for use. If you would like to use it at a later date, take out the dust cap and place over the ferrule tip for protection. This completes our demonstration on the S122 with Splice-On connector feature. Thank you.